The Honeysuckle Solar site in northern Indiana is a great example of domestic manufacturing renaissance.
Lightsource BP's 188 megawatt Honeysuckle Solar Project started construction in 2023 and came online in 2024, contributing to the American economy by generating homegrown energy. That includes not only creating jobs at our solar farms within the communities we work, but also procuring materials and equipment from US-based manufacturers. By doing so, we supported many domestic and even local manufacturing jobs, which provide economic benefits to the communities in which we operate.
American manufacturing is part of Array's DNA. We're a leading American manufacturer and global provider of tracker solutions for utility-scale solar energy projects. And we're proud of our role supporting local manufacturing jobs, both at our own facilities and through our trusted supply chain partners. Array supplied Lightsource BP with the solar trackers for the site and used torque tube made from lock joint tube, one of our domestic supplier partners located in South Bend.
Lock joint and steel warehouse combined are one of the largest employers here in South Bend, Indiana. The torque tube is an industry standard for the product that actually rotates the panels from east to west throughout the day. Manufacturing in the United States is not easy. You have to compete with the world. I think solar has been tremendous for the manufacturing sector, for the steel industry that I participate in today. The growth in solar has led to a growth in steel, which in turn is jobs here in South Bend, Indiana.
At the peak of Honeysuckle's construction, it supported 200 jobs, with 85% of workers from the local area. These jobs included workers representing 3 different unions.
What we liked about the short-term project is it really introduced our workforce, especially our laborers and our union tradesmen, to a solar project. We just had never done a project like this in this region. Having the opportunity to take our workforce that had never really had any interaction with this, putting them into a situation where they could learn how to build solar is a big win.
Driven by American energy policy, we have seen a surge of domestic manufacturing of solar equipment.
To meet rising demand for solar, we're expanding our U.S. manufacturing footprint, and many of our supplier partners have announced similar growth plans.
We invested millions of dollars into our plant in Temple, Texas, specifically for the solar industry. Without a partner like Array, this investment would not have happened. Without the growth of solar, this investment would not have happened.
Lock joint tube, long-standing local company. This is a great example for them and for us on how those kind of projects can benefit locally.
Energy demand is increasing in the U.S., and solar, a top resource of new electricity generation, plays a key role in helping meet that need.
The solar industry has been a bright spot for us, every pun intended.
At Array, we see a bright future for American solar manufacturing.